A hard-working single dad spent his days repairing old vehicles inside a modest neighborhood garage. Every dollar he earned supported his young daughter, who dreamed of becoming an engineer someday. Although customers admired his remarkable mechanical skills, nobody truly knew where he had learned such extraordinary craftsmanship during the mysterious 11 years missing from his past. One quiet morning, a transport truck delivered a rare silver 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL to his garage. The elegant sports car belonged to a successful female CEO who had visited countless luxury workshops seeking repairs. Every specialist claimed the vehicle required months of expensive restoration, yet none managed to solve the frustrating mechanical failure completely. The female CEO stepped from her luxury sedan, wearing a sophisticated navy blue business suit. She explained that the priceless Mercedes refused to start, despite repeated inspections by highly respected engineers. She admitted losing confidence after spending enormous amounts on unsuccessful repairs. Hoping for a miracle, she reluctantly trusted the humble neighborhood mechanic with her treasured automobile. The single father calmly listened without interrupting. Instead of making grand promises, he carefully opened the hood and examined every component with remarkable patience. He ignored complicated diagnostic machines, choosing instead to rely upon years of practical experience. His quiet confidence immediately caught the CEO's attention because it differed greatly from previous overconfident specialists. He inspected fuel lines, ignition wiring, cooling hoses and engine timing before stopping unexpectedly. Smiling slightly, he pointed toward a tiny adjustment overlooked during previous repairs. Using only a simple wrench and screwdriver, he corrected the hidden issue before checking every surrounding connection to ensure nothing else would interfere with the engine's perfect operation afterward. Exactly 12 minutes after beginning, the mechanic invited everyone to step back. He turned the ignition key, and the legendary Mercedes-Benz 300 SL instantly came alive. Its smooth engine echoed beautifully throughout the garage, astonishing employees and customers alike. The female CEO watched silently, unable to believe a problem lasting months disappeared within only 12 remarkable minutes. The CEO walked slowly around the beautifully running Mercedes, examining every detail, while trying to understand how such a simple garage accomplished what prestigious restoration centers failed to achieve. She realized the mechanic possessed extraordinary talent beyond ordinary training. Curiosity replaced surprise as she wondered where someone acquired such exceptional automotive knowledge and experience. Instead of immediately discussing payment, she politely asked about his background. She noticed framed family photographs, but no awards, certificates, or business trophies decorating the garage walls. Smiling gently, she asked one unexpected question. "Where were you during those missing 11 years everyone says you never discuss?" The garage suddenly became completely silent afterward. The mechanic paused before answering. Looking toward his daughter organizing tools nearby, he admitted those 11 years changed his entire life forever. After losing his wife unexpectedly, he accepted difficult overseas mechanical contracts, repairing emergency transport vehicles in dangerous regions. Every decision he made during those years focused solely upon providing his daughter with a secure future. Working under extreme conditions taught him to diagnose problems quickly because lives often depended upon reliable transportation. There were no luxurious workshops or unlimited replacement parts available. Every repair demanded creativity, patience, and precision. Those unforgettable years shaped his remarkable abilities while teaching valuable lessons about responsibility, resilience, and perseverance through unimaginable personal hardship and sacrifice. The CEO listened carefully, without interrupting. She realized the mechanic's greatest achievements were not displayed on certificates, but reflected through experience earned during extraordinary circumstances. His missing 11 years represented sacrifice rather than mystery. Every difficult challenge had transformed him into someone capable of solving impossible mechanical problems while remaining humble despite exceptional talent and professional excellence. Deeply moved, the CEO thanked him not only for repairing her priceless automobile, but also for sharing such a personal story. She admitted she initially judged him by the appearance of his small garage, instead of appreciating the wisdom hidden behind years of quiet determination. Her perspective towards success changed forever during that heartfelt conversation together. Impressed beyond words, she invited him to visit her luxury automotive restoration headquarters. Inside stood rare European classics, advanced restoration equipment, and experienced technicians awaiting leadership. She explained the company desperately needed someone combining extraordinary technical ability with honesty, humility, and compassion. Such qualities could never be purchased, regardless of unlimited financial resources available. The mechanic appreciated the generous opportunity, but hesitated because his daughter remained his greatest responsibility. The CEO immediately reassured him that flexible working hours and educational support would always come first. She believed businesses succeeded best when talented people never sacrificed family responsibilities while pursuing meaningful professional opportunities or ambitious career advancement. After discussing everything with his daughter, the single father accepted the position. Together, they entered an exciting new chapter where rare automobiles received world-class restorations guided by practical wisdom instead of unnecessary extravagance. Every completed project reflected precision, honesty, and respect for automotive history, earning admiration from collectors across the country and international exhibitions alike. The restored Mercedes-Benz 300 SL became the company's most celebrated showcase vehicle. Visitors admired its flawless appearance while learning about the humble mechanic responsible for its transformation. Rather than highlighting expensive equipment, presentations emphasized patience, experience, and thoughtful craftsmanship. Customers discovered genuine excellence originated from character and dedication rather than luxurious surroundings or impressive advertising campaigns. Automotive journalists published inspiring articles describing how one modest neighborhood mechanic solved impossible problems within minutes, while prestigious workshops struggled for months. Readers admired not only his extraordinary talent, but also his unwavering devotion as a father. His story reminded countless people that true greatness often grows quietly through sacrifice, perseverance, and unconditional love for family. The female CEO frequently shared his journey during leadership conferences. She encouraged executives never to judge people solely by appearances, education, or business size. Extraordinary individuals sometimes work unnoticed inside ordinary places, carrying remarkable experiences invisible to others. Recognizing hidden potential, she explained, remains one of the greatest responsibilities of genuine leadership today. Years later, the mechanic's daughter proudly graduated as an automotive engineer, fulfilling the dream, inspiring every sacrifice her father had made. Standing beside the beautifully restored 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, they smiled together, remembering how one simple 12-minute repair revealed an 11-year story of courage, resilience, family devotion, and hope that changed countless lives forever.